Welcome to this divine healing meditation. It would be a good idea to do this early in the morning and just before bed at night. This meditation is offered with deep humility and respect to all who seek stillness, connection, and healing. May it serve you as a gentle guide to help you tap into the vast and loving energy that flows through all things. Listen to it daily before bed for a relaxed and healing sleep. In a world that can often feel overwhelming and chaotic, it can be easy to lose sight of the deeper, more profound aspects of life that nourishes our soul and guide us on our path. It's important to take time to connect with the infinite energy of the universe, tapping into the boundless power and the wisdom that flows through all things. So let's begin. Sitting comfortably with your eyes gently closed, without any effort, become aware of your breathing. Notice the flow in and out, in and out. As you focus on this steady rhythm, you will feel tension draining from your shoulders, your neck, and your face. Just relax. If there are any background sounds, like dogs barking, people talking, or distant traffic, just accept it. Just let it wash over you. These sounds cannot disturb this inner peace. You are still aware of the regular flow of your breathing. You are aware of a deep calmness. As you rest in this inner peace, you are aware of its warmth. You are feeling safe. You are resting in God's presence. You may notice thoughts arising. Just ignore them. Just let them drift away, like clouds in the sky. Your awareness has no boundaries. You are part of this vast awareness, connected to it in every way, that goes beyond your physical senses and understanding. As you focus your attention on this limitless awareness, allow yourself to feel the presence of its infinite energy. This energy flows through all things, connecting every atom and every molecule in a web of light and vibration. Feel this energy shining with a radiance that is both dazzling and comforting. It fills every corner of the universe, and as you focus on it, you can feel it flowing into you through every pore of your being. As this energy enters your body, allow it to clear away any blockages or obstacles that may be preventing you from fully connecting with the universe. Let it fill you with a sense of deep peace and harmony, and allow it to heal any area of your body or mind that may be in need of attention. Allow the energy of the universe to expand within you, filling every part of your being with its power and light. Feel it radiating out from you, connecting you with all other beings who are also tapping into this infinite source of energy and consciousness. You are a co-creator of the universe. Your thoughts, intentions, and actions have a profound impact on the people and the world around you. So may this divine energy bring healing, transformation, and growth into your life and the lives of those around you. Return your attention to your breath. Enjoy this amazing feeling, just resting in the presence of God. Now slowly open your eyes. Become aware of your surroundings. Take a moment to enjoy this feeling of inner and outer tranquility. May God bless you.